My dear students, I am going to explain you that is x is to y equals to 2 is to 3, then x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. No, never. How? This I am explaining how it is not. That means if x is to y equals to 2 is to 3, then x is not equals to 2 and y is not equals to 3. How? Suppose Ram says is 10 years and Sam says is 15 years. Then the ratio of Ram's is by Sam says equals to 10 years by 15 years, and that is equals to years and years will be cancelled, same unit. So that is equals to 2 by 3, that is equals to 2 is to 3. Then can we say that Ram says equals to 2 years and Sam says equals to 3 years? No, it's wrong. So we have always to keep in mind, if any ratio is given that x is to y equals to 2 is to 3, then x is never equals to 2, y is never equals to 3. But if I suppose a rational constant, that suppose x is to y equals to 2 is to 3, and I am supposing a rational constant as k, then x equals to 2k it is, and y equals to 3k it is. It is correct. But if by supposing x equals to 2 and y equals to 3, if you are calculating any value, that value is wrong. That will not fetch you any score in the examination. That's the wrong way of solution. So, if it is in ratio, then we should consider always a rational constant. And without considering a rational constant, if you are solving that sum, it is quite wrong. Although, answer will be same. That means whatever answer is coming, 1 is to 5 or 2 is to 3 or 7 is to 11, whatever answer is coming, that is, in both the ways answer will be same, but the process is wrong. So no marks you will get. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.